You're about 90 minutes into a movie, and that giant soda is starting to fight back. Sure, you can hold it, but how long is fine, and when does it become a risky habit? Let's start at the source. Your kidneys constantly filter your blood to remove extra water and waste. That filtered fluid becomes urine and travels down the ureters into the bladder for storage. The bladder is a stretchy pouch of smooth muscle. Its detrusor wall expands as it fills. As it stretches, sensors send signals to your brain. We're getting full time to empty. Most adults comfortably hold a few hundred milliliters, but capacity varies a lot person to person. And once you're near your limit, the urge can ramp up quickly, and that's by design. Now, short-term holding usually isn't a big deal for healthy people. An extra 15 to 45 minutes in a meeting, traffic, or a theater row is typically fine. Your bladder is built to store urine for a while, so one delay isn't a crisis. The concern starts when you ignore the signal regularly and hold it for hours as a routine. Over time, frequent holding can make the brain less sensitive to early time-to-go messages. You may only feel urgency when your bladder is much fuller than it used to be. Some jobs, like nursing, can lead to fewer bathroom breaks and higher functional capacity. But some people are okay doesn't mean it's a good idea for everyone. It's not just the bladder holding relies on the urethral sphincter and pelvic floor muscles too. These gatekeeping muscles keep the outlet closed until your brain allows a coordinated release. Repeatedly pushing them past limits may contribute to control issues in some people over time. It's not the most common outcome, and it usually doesn't happen quickly, but it can happen. One risk is not fully emptying when you finally go. The bladder may leave urine behind. Residual urine can make you feel like you need to go again sooner, because you're starting less empty. If retention becomes significant, it can be a medical issue worth evaluating. Another risk is UTIs when urine sits longer. Bacteria have more time to multiply. This is especially true for people who are already prone to urinary infections. Less commonly, especially with blockage, pressure can back up toward the kidneys and cause harm. That isn't what happens from holding it once during a movie, but chronic repeats make it more likely. So, how long is too long? There's no perfect number. Caffeine, meds, age, and health all matter. Practical rule: occasional holding is usually okay. Holding for hours, repeatedly, isn't recommended. Bottom line, if you can go, go. Your body signals for a reason. Don't make holding it your routine.